Losing leads after the first click? GoHighLevel makes retargeting follow-ups automatic so no prospect slips away. First, use tags or a tracking pixel to identify people who visited your funnel but didn't buy. This creates a custom audience inside GoHighLevel. Next, build a workflow that triggers emails, texts, or even voicemails reminding them of the offer you checked out. Personalize the message so it feels like one-on-one follow-up. Integrate your Facebook or Google Ads retargeting campaigns directly through GoHighLevel, so those same leads see your offer again on social media and search. Now, add urgency, limited spots, bonuses, or deadlines in your follow-up to turn cold clicks into paying customers. That's how you automate retargeting follow-up in GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.